Hi boys and girls, Ms. Brown here, and today is April 6, 2020. Today our lesson focus is to use math drawings to compose a rectangle with square tiles. The application reads, Lulu made a pan of brownies. She cut them into 3 rows and 3 columns. Letter A, draw a picture of Lulu's brownies in the pan. Letter B, write a number sentence to show how many brownies Lulu has. And finally, letter C, write a statement about Lulu's brownies. So letter A, it says to draw a picture. So when you draw your picture, remember you are using square tiles. You're going to put your square tiles into 3 rows and 3 columns. Go ahead and pause this video and do letter A. Okay, I am going to show you how Lulu's brownies look in the pan. So let's first start our first row of brownies. This is the first row. 1, 2, 3. This is the first row. Now we're going to do the second row. 1, 2, and 3. One more row. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, if your pan of brownies looks something like this, then you are correct. We have 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. Now letter B, write a number sentence to show how many brownies Lulu has. Now remember, you can write a repeated addition equation, but also you can write a multiplication equation because we already know how to write those. So go ahead and pause this video and write a number sentence or 2 for Lulu's brownies. Okay, so for letter B, we're going to write a repeated addition equation first. If you said 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9, then you are correct because we have 3 rows of 3 and that gives us 3 3s. Another way that we could write this is 3 times 3 equals 9. So if you answered those correctly, then pat yourself on the back. You did a great job. And last but not least, we are going to write a statement about Lulu's brownies. Now go ahead and write your statement. Remember, a statement should involve the who, the what, and also includes the total or the answer to the question. Write a statement about Lulu's brownies. Go ahead and pause this video. Okay, a really good statement to write is to first start out with answering the question with who. And we're talking about Lulu. Lulu has, write the total, 9. And what are we talking about? We're talking about brownies. So Lulu has 9 brownies in the pan. And that is it, guys. Remember, if you have any questions, go to the question and answer channel and ask those there. You have a green lesson to do today, and you also have a Zern lesson, lesson 12, and a Tower of Power. So that is all, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.